So I'm painting the walls black.
Yes, why can't I do 24?
The wall behind the couch, I want to make it black. And right now on my way to the IKEA Planning Studio here in New York City. We are on 50-something street. I'll find the exact address for you guys. But I just am really in need of a new home. I have just finalized my divorce. And when I first got into this house, it was like really just like a transitional house for me. I wasn't sure if I was going to be here very long. You know, and I just kind of like hastily just like bought a bunch of white furniture to put in here, but I didn't know, like really I didn't put any like aesthetic really behind it. It just was airy in my apartment, and now I'm ready to make my house a home. And so I'm here, I have my dimensions, I have like some things that I really want in my house, some staple pieces, but I don't have any closet space in my tiny New York City apartment. And so the IKEA team is going to really help me just like customize a closet, like the closet of my dreams. So I'm really excited. The team has been wonderful so far. So let me take you guys inside so you can see it. I've never been here before. So I am really curious to see like what this space is about. I'm really curious to see what this space is about. So I'm gonna take you guys inside with me. All right? It's raining, so let me put my camera away. I do. I have the measurements. So that wall. So I also have that mirror.
Find the right one.
That one. Oh my god.
See, totally is $3,089.94.
That's amazing. We got so much stuff. So we did the bedroom and we did
Bedroom, living room, vanity, couch,
TV stand,
armchair,
custom
TV stand. Yeah.
an armchair and a couch. Full closet.
And a full closet as well.
And a bed.
And your bed as well.
That's amazing. Oh, it's great. So I'm painting the walls black.
Yes, why can't I do 24?
The wall behind the couch, I want to make it black. Like a matte, like chalkboard black.
Okay.
And then the couch, I'm getting a turquoise, like velvet couch.
I see what you're trying to do.
This is a solution for a studio apartment. Let me take you to the kitchen. I mean, this is the nicest studio I've ever seen. This is the nicest studio I have ever seen. Right.